With the help of my Etsy marketing strategy, I was able to generate 72,000 euro revenue last year. And today I am going to share my Etsy marketing strategy with you. Maybe you recently started an Etsy digital product business, or you have one for a while, but you want to take it to the next level and you don't know what to do about your marketing strategy. I will talk about mine so that you can find some inspiration in it, and feel free to use the same tips and tricks that I use in my strategy so that your shop can be successful as well. If we haven't met yet, hi, my name is Emese from Everything Digital, and here on this channel I talk about digital products, making money online, and business finance. If you would also like to see some behind the scenes secrets, follow me on Instagram. And if you are short on digital product ideas, I created a checklist with 64 digital product ideas. You can find the link to that in the description box down below. And without any further ado, let's get into my Etsy marketing strategy. When it comes to my marketing strategy, it has two main components. In the first category, we have the things I do to promote my shop within Etsy. And in the second part, I will talk about all of the things that I do to promote my shop on the internet, so that is not related to Etsy. Some of these are involuntary and some of them are chosen by me. The best way to show you this is to take you to my computer screen, and I will show you the backend of my Etsy shop so that you can see what is going on over there. We are looking at the backend of my editable template shop. This one has the higher sales volume and also the higher visitor volume. The first element in my Etsy marketing strategy that I want to talk about are Etsy on-site ads. Let's go to the marketing tab right here and go to Etsy ads. As you can see, I run ads in my shop, and at the moment we are in the middle of an experiment. Until now I only spent $10 a day on advertising, and I increased it to 20 to see if it would have a major impact on my shop or not. Not to ruin the future video that I will make about this, but it looks like it's working, but I want to run this at least 10 days. So keep an eye for that video where I show you the results of this experiment. As you can see, at the moment I advertised 333 listings and I spent $20 a day, usually 10, but we will see if we will lower it to $10 again. I started running Etsy ads quite a few years ago. I started with like $1 a day, then increased it to 2, then after a few months I increased it to 5, and after a few months I ended up at $10 a day. That was my magic spot. I tried to increase it to 12 or 15 at one point, but it wasn't rentable for me, so I lowered it back to 10, and that's how it has been for the last 2 years, I believe. I was hesitant at the beginning to spend money on Etsy ads, but after trying it, I was convinced that it's bringing results into my shop. These results are not guaranteed for every niche and for every type of digital product. But in my case, with the editable templates, it paid off and it generates good traffic. And as you can see, I had 33,700 impressions or ad views. And out of these people, 1,084 clicked on one of my ads. I had 72 orders in the last 30 days and $820 revenue from these ads. And I had to spend $361 to get this revenue. If you saw my April income report, you know that the revenue that I had from my digital product business fell by 2,000 euros, about 2,050 US dollars. I was not happy about it, and I showed you there how ads looked in the month of March, and compared to April, they didn't perform as well. So yes, there are better months and there are some worse months. Let's move on to the next element that I use in my Etsy marketing strategy, and that would be sales and coupon codes. Here in the backend, let's go to the marketing tab and go to sales and discounts. And here you have two options. You can either run a sale or you can create a promo code. I usually run a sale. I have my promo code set from 3 years ago. I have a basic 10% discount. I have a 25% discount as well, but I give that in very rare cases. It has to be a very large order when I give that code to someone. I also activated emails sent to people who abandoned one of my products in their carts. This email sends them automatically a coupon code for 10% discount, and if they choose to purchase, then they can apply the discount to their order. I also have another email option activated, which is the thank you email. Here I offer them another 10% discount on their next order. So these systems kind of support each other with not as many results, I would say, as I want to. As you can see, I started doing the abandoned cart email promotion back in 2018. I think that was when they rolled it out. And since then, they sent 7,500 emails. Out of these, 177 were used, and I had 1,500 US dollars in revenue. In 4 years, that is not very good, in my opinion. But it is there, and I'm glad that these sales came in. As you can see, my 10% welcome back coupon is active for 4 years now. They are there and they're doing their job when there is a promotion. I don't have any sales scheduled at the moment. I will probably do one in the middle of the summer, around 4th of July, when all of the other shops are doing theirs. But for the moment, I don't have any sales. The next strategy that I use is cross promotion on images and in the descriptions. If I have a digital product that I created variations of in different colors, I will create a separate image on which I will put all of the color options so that people know that I have more than one option available, and if it fits their theme or their taste, they can select the colors accordingly. I also create short links. I don't use the big ones. I use a program called Bitly to shorten my links, and I put those in the description. I would write it like other colors or other sizes available, and after that I enlist them, and I put the short link after each and every option that they can choose. The next element in my Etsy marketing strategy is the Etsy Plus subscription. If you don't have this, your shop will work just the same, but in case someone comes and visits my shop, the first thing they see is my featured section. And here I can include listings or categories. As you can see, I have here in my printable planner shop this featured section. I have my 2 editable listing mockup templates, and I have a few of my printable planners listed down here. If you wouldn't have the Etsy Plus subscription, your shop just would enlist all of your designs that you have in your shop. Another good strategy would be to put your promo codes here on your banner somewhere. And if people come into your shop and see your banner and you write buy 5 and get a 20% discount, use code, and let's say the code is 10 off or something like that. But you can get creative with your shop banner too and put your promo codes for discounts if you would like to do that. Now we arrived to the second part of my Etsy marketing strategy. This would be the things that I do to promote my Etsy shop outside of Etsy. Some of these are out of my control, like Etsy offsite ads. Let's go to the finances section, and I can show you what I spend on Etsy offsite ads, because I was automatically enrolled in Etsy offsite ads because I hit a certain threshold with my sales, and so people don't have an option to opt out of these offsite ads. Let's select the past 3 months in the printable planner shop. In the past 3 months, I spent 7 euros on Etsy offsite ads. In the editable template shop, this amount is about 70 euros each month. Regarding Etsy offsite ads, I just pulled up from the Etsy Seller's Handbook the Etsy offsite ads section, and here you can see that Etsy advertises in our name on Google, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Bing, Etsy publishing partner sites, I don't know which are these, and Google Display Network. For offsite ads, you only pay when a client buys something. You don't pay for clicks, you pay for the conversions. Not until long ago, the only social media platform that I was using to promote my Etsy shop outside of Etsy was Pinterest. I worked a lot on my Pinterest strategy, and for the last year I have been running Pinterest ads too. I find that they are very effective and they bring in lots of eyes on my Etsy shop. But as you can see, I typed in student planner and one of my pins is the first one that comes up. This is an older design of mine. It has at least 4 or 5 years. It is still live on Pinterest and it brings traffic to my Etsy shop. Since then, lots of people came into the digital product world and they became my competitors, to say. But I feel like there are enough clients for everyone and you don't have to copy your competitors' designs. And the last element in my offsite Etsy strategy is YouTube. This is a very new one for me. I include links in my description to products I mentioned that I have, or I also include a link where you get 40 free listings when you open your Etsy shop, and I also get 40 free listings. YouTube also contributes to my traffic. Let's check how many of you came over and checked out my Etsy shop. YouTube falls under direct traffic, and as you can see, there are some people in the last 30 days who came over. Thank you very much. I appreciate every one of you who come and check out my shop. That would be my Etsy marketing strategy. I created these strategy elements along the way and I experimented and I tried them out, and what worked I kept and what didn't work I forgot about it. Do you have any other Etsy marketing tips that I should try and maybe do a video about it and let's experiment, like with the increased Etsy ads budget? Leave a comment with your suggestions down below. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm and consider subscribing to my channel. I do the happy dance every time someone subscribes to my channel. And hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video where I talk about digital products and making money online. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and grab a copy of my digital product list. See you in the next video. Bye bye!